Unlock a super convenient way to pay your rent right here, right now, with Moneygram. First things first, you need to find a Moneygram agent location. The easiest way is to head to the Moneygram website or open the Moneygram mobile app, type in your current address or zip code, and it will instantly show you all the nearby locations. Many grocery stores, pharmacies, and convenience stores are authorized Moneygram agents, making it super accessible. Once you've arrived at your chosen agent location, head to the counter where they have the Moneygram sign. You'll need to have your landlord's payment information ready. Usually their full name and the amount they need to be paid. Be sure to confirm with your landlord if they have a specific reference number or account to use with Moneygram payments. At the counter, you'll fill out a simple Moneygram send form. You'll write down your landlord's name, the city and state where they are located, and the exact amount of rent you're paying. You'll also need to provide your own details as the sender. The agent will then process your payment, collect your cash, and provide you with a receipt. Keep that receipt. It's your proof of payment. It will have a reference number that you can use to track your payment's progress. Most transfers are available for pickup by your landlord within minutes, ensuring your rent is paid on time and without any hassle. By using Moneygram, you're choosing a fast, reliable, and widely available method to ensure your rent is paid promptly, keeping you in good standing with your landlord. That's how easy it is to pay your rent with Moneygram.